Apple has introduced a new beta firmware update for its AirPods Pro 2, bringing improvements for developers before a broader public launch. The update, version 7E506.7b, comes shortly before the release of iOS 18.3, raising excitement among AirPods users. This is the first beta firmware update for the AirPods Pro 2 since November, when version 7B21 was released to the public. While the details of the latest update are not yet clear, it likely includes bug fixes and performance enhancements. These updates ensure the AirPods Pro 2 works seamlessly with the upcoming iOS releases and enhance the overall user experience. Additionally, the AirPods Pro 2 are Apple's high-end wireless earbuds, known for their active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and spatial audio features. Regular firmware updates like this ensure they stay compatible with new software, improve functionality, and fix minor issues. Moreover, there is speculation that this firmware might prepare AirPods Pro 2 for changes expected in iOS 18.4, which could follow the upcoming iOS 18.3 launch. While Apple hasn't shared specific details about the update, it's clear the company is focused on refining its ecosystem for a smoother user experience. If you're a developer or have early access, you can test the new beta firmware now. For regular users, Apple's expected to roll out the updated firmware to the public soon. Keep an eye out for updates to enjoy the best performance from your AirPods Pro 2.